Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Skool even if you have no experience. By the end, you'll know how to create a community, share content, and get started online. First, go to Skool and sign up with your email. It's super easy and takes just a minute. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, click Create Community to start your own space. This is where your members will join, access content, and interact. Once inside, take a look at the dashboard. You'll see sections for posts, classroom, and members. Familiarizing yourself helps you navigate faster. Now, add some content. Start with posts, short lessons, or tips that your community will find useful. Don't overthink it. Just start sharing. Finally, engage your members. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage participation. This will help your community grow even if you're new, and that's it. Using Skool without experience is really that simple. Create your community, add content, engage members, and start building your online presence today.